Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Vocational Door. So today we will be discussing a famous interview problem is subsequence. So this problem is very easy also. In this problem you will be given two strings S and T and we need to return true if S is the subsequence of T, else we will return false. So first we need to understand what is the subsequence. So if we want to say S is the subsequence of T, that means whatever characters are there, like A, B, C, they all should exist in the T, and also they should maintain the same order. Like first there is A, then there is B, then it has C. So here it is first A, then it has B, and then it is C. We need to first understand the difference between subsequence and substring. Subsequence is something like we are having all the characters of S and also the order of the characters are same. But substring is the contiguous part. So this is the difference between subsequence and substring. Similarly, we can see here we have A, X, C. Here we can see A is there, but X is not there. So we will return false. So this is about this problem. Now we will understand how to approach this and how to solve this. So here I have taken these two examples. In first example, S is the subsequence of T, and in the second, it is not. So to solve this, we can approach with the famous two-pointer approach. So for that, we will take two pointers. One will point at the first index of the S. So we can say for now it as S, and then other pointer will point at the first index of the T. So for now, we can say it as T. Now we will compare if character at this index and this index they are equal or not. So if they are equal, at that condition what we will do, we will move this pointer to the right side because this is matched. Now we need to match the other one. So for this example, suppose on the first iteration those are the same, A and A. So what we will do, we will increment our S. So it will come on the B pointer. So again, now we will match B is equal to A, no. So if those are not matching, what we will do, we will increment our T pointer. Now T will come on the H. Is it matching? No. Again, we will move it. It will come on the B. Is it matching? Yes. So if it is matching, what we will do, we will increment this pointer again. So it will come on the C point. So after this, C is equal to B, no. Again, we will move T. T is equal to G. Sorry, C is equal to G. No. So if it is not matching, we will move T pointer. It will come on the D. D is matching to C. No. Again, we will move. So it will come on the C and C is matching with C. So if we are able to complete this, means if we are able to come on the last character and able to match it with the character in the T, it means we have satisfied our condition. So it means if this index means S pointer, it has become equal to the length of this string. Means the pointer will be first 0, then 1, 2, 3. It will become 3, and the length of the string is also 3 length. It means our condition has been satisfied and we can return true. And if it is not, then obviously we need to return false. So this approach is suitable for all kind of examples. If you will see here, first we will match these two pointers. These two are matching. If they are matching, what we need to do, we will increment this pointer. It will come on the X. So first we will match with H. Is it matching? No. A, no. So it will never found. So you will see our pointer will be incremented to one time only. So it is not becoming equal to the length of this string. It means it is not satisfying our condition. So with the same approach, we can solve this on the LeetCode. Now we will start solving in the LeetCode. As I said, we need to declare two pointers, one for S. So I am saying it as I, and for T, I am saying it as J. Now what we need to do, we need to apply check for the loop. So we will check if I is less than S dot length. and also t is less than, sorry, j is less than t dot length, because I is for s and j is for t, what I have taken. So now what I said, we need to check characters of both string on these pointers. So first we will check s dot charact I if it is equal to t dot charact j. So if those are equal, what we need to do, we need to increment our I pointer, because we are checking if all the characters of S are there in the T and also in the same sequence. So if they first is matched, now we will move to second and so on. And if they are not matching, we need to move the J pointer to check the further characters. So this is it about this mechanism. Now what I said, if our pointer for the S, which was I, is equal to S dot length, if it is equal to this, it means our condition is satisfied, and if it is not, also it will return false. So also we can apply here pre-check. If s dot length is equal to 0, means there are no characters in s, then obviously it will be true, so we will return true in that case. So our code is done. Now we can execute. So these cases are getting passed. Now we can submit it. Yes, so we can see all the cases are getting passed. So this was all about this problem. Also we can understand it by the theory whatever I explained. So for the s we have taken one pointer, for the t we have taken one pointer. We are trying to match the characters. If they are matching, then we are moving our s pointer to the right side, and if it is not matching, we are moving our t pointer to the right side. And after all of this, we are checking if I is equal to s dot length. So thank you guys. This was all about this problem. If you find this content useful, please do consider subscribing. Thanks. Till then, keep learning.